Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Mamelodi Sundowns winger Thapelo Maseko has joined Cypriot side AEL Limassol on loan. At the beginning of the current campaign, the Cyprus Giants Aris Limassol were interested in the winger, but they couldn't agree a club-to-club move, and that move collapsed. Since then, Maseko has played just over 100 minutes of football in Sundowns senior side. He played few games in the reserve side to keep himself fit, and this move could help the 22-year-old in fighting for his place in the Bafana Bafana national team after missing out on representing the national team at the 2025 African Cup of Nations. On Tuesday, the 20th of January 2026, Limassol confirmed the loan deal. Here is a statement from AEL Limassol. It says, Limassol Athletic Association announces the reach of an agreement with South African Champions League Mamelodi Sundowns FC for the loan of footballer Thapelo Maseko until the end of the current football season. Thapelo Maseko, who's 22 years old, plays in all positions in midfield. His professional career started with SuperSport United, with which he recorded 34 appearances. In 2023, he signed up with the champions Mamelodi Sundowns FC, recording to date 45 appearances in domestic and international events such as the African Football League, Cup and the CAF Champions League. In addition, he is international with South African national team, having recorded 7 appearances so far. We welcome the footballer to the big family of AEL and wish him every success with the blue and yellow jersey. Now that's the statement from AEL Limassol. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this loan deal? Limassol didn't give any details on whether the player will be signed on a permanent deal after the expiration of the loan. We'll see at the end of the loan deal. Now, do you think that this is a good move for Thapelo Maseko? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. And there are already 2 South African players playing in the Cyprus League. Mihlali Mayambela, who plays for Aris Limassol, and Luther Singh will be playing with Thapelo Maseko for AEL Limassol. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.